with a practical question regarding the interest on partners loan. Okay, today we will solve one question that is relating to interest on partners लोन टू द फॉर्म. सपोज पार्टनर ने फॉर्म को लोन दिया, पार्टनर ने, ओके लिसन, पार्टनर ने लोन दिया फॉर्म को, ठीक है. इन दैट टाइम पार्टनर विल गेट इंटरेस्ट, is it okay? And the firm has to pay the interest to the partners. That is why it is called interest on partners loan to the firm. Suppose this is a question: A and B enter into partnership on 1st April. Okay, this is the A and B enter into partnership on 1st April 2017 without any partnership deed. Okay, there is no any agreement. यहाँ पर agreement नहीं है. Without any partnership deed means there is no any hard and fast rule. Okay, as per deed. And they introduce capital. Both partner A and B have introduced capital, that is 5 lakhs and 3 lakhs respectively. After that, on 1st October, this is the main point. Okay, just you listen properly. ये मेरा हम लोग का मेन पॉइंट है जो कि 31 अक्टूबर को 2017, ओके 2017 ए ने एडवांस दिया. किसको दिया? रुपीज़, दैट इज 2 lakhs. ओके, he has given 2 lakhs to the firm, okay, by way of loan. That he said it is a loan, okay, to the firm without any agreement as interest, as to interest. The partner A has not said about the interest, okay, rate of interest. Here the agreement is forms without any agreement, okay. That is why you have to know whether it is any agreement or not. If there is no any agreement, the firm has to pay minimum 6%. Just you note down these things, okay. The firm has to pay interest at the rate minimum 6%. Is it okay? And after that, here the question is the profit account, the profit and loss account for the year ended. This is the profit and loss account shows, okay, profit, that is 4,30,000. This 4,30,000 is the profit of the firm, but the partner could not agree upon the amount of interest on loan to be charged. Okay, partner is not agreed that the amount of loan to be charged, okay, and the basis of division of profits. Okay, here whatever the profits is there after, okay, after the loan, the profit must be divided, okay, division to the partners. Here the question is that you have to pass the necessary journal entries. Okay, what are the journal entries you have to pass as interest on partners loan to the firm? This is the condition, okay. And prepare capital accounts of both the partners. Here partner A and B is there. You have to prepare capital account, okay, partners capital account, and the loan account of A, because partner A has given loan to the firm. That is why we have to prepare one separate ledger, that is loan account, okay, loan account of A, that is partner A. So we start with the practical, okay. First of all, here the capital is given of the partner, yes or no? Partner's capital is there. So starting journal entry we will solve one by one, okay. So we'll write journal entries as per the question. It is saying you have to pass journal entry, after that you have to prepare capital account. So we proceed with the journal, okay. So this is the format, you just write down. This is the format, okay. This is the format, just write down date, okay, particulars, LF ledger folio, that is debit and credit, rupees, okay, amount, that is in the books of A and B, books of A and B, okay, journal entry we are writing. Is it okay? So first of all we will write this capital, okay. First entry will be, suppose in the form you can see 2017, date must be important, okay. April 1, on 1st April the capital is introduced in the firm. So firm's bank account is debited, okay. And 2, who has given the capital? A's capital account to B's capital account. This is the amount introduced by partner, that is partner A and B, that is A's capital account and B's capital account. This is the first journal entry that partner introduced capital, okay. Being, write down the narration, being capital introduced by partners, okay. पार्टनर ने पैसा लगाया फॉर्म में, तो दिस विल बी द एंट्री फॉर capital introduced by the partner in the firm, okay. The amount will be here, both the partners 5 lakhs, 3 lakhs. The total will be 8 lakhs, okay. This 8 lakhs came in the firm. Is it okay? So this will be the first entry of journal, okay. Capital introduced by partners. Is it okay? Just note down. Whoever watching my channel, just keep on like, okay, and keep sharing so that the other student will get help, will get benefited, okay. So keep sharing. So this is all about the first entry. After that, we go for the interest part, okay. This is the first entry for capital introduced by partners, okay. And the next entry that we will solve now, okay. A has given some loan, yes or no? So if A has given loan on which date? October 31, okay. On October 31 he has given loan. Just you write down, if partner A has given loan, that means in the bank of the firm पैसा आया है, बैंक अकाउंट डेबिटेड, okay. And who has given loan? A, that is A's loan account, okay. Is it okay? I hope you are understanding. समझ में आ रहा होगा. That is the amount of 2 लाख. कितना दिया? 2 लाख रुपया लोन दिया फॉर्म को. तो फॉर्म को दिया है तो फॉर्म का बैंक अकाउंट में डेबिट हुआ. किसने दिया? ए ने दिया, तो ए ने लोन दिया. दैट इज वाई ए इज लोन अकाउंट. We don't write capital, okay, because partner A has given loan to the firm. That is why firm का बैंक में पैसा आया, but that amount it is a loan of whom? A. That is why A is loan account. Is it okay? And next narration, write down, being loan received from A, okay. That is partner A. This will be the next entry. Just note down. I think it is visible. And the next entry will be interest, okay. How much interest he will get? Here already I have said in the question that by way of loan to the firm without any agreement, it is said in the question without any agreement. So these things you have to know. That is why minimum, if there is no agreement, you have to charge minimum 6% as interest on loan. तो 6% interest on loan कितना होगा? 2 लाख का. We will calculate, okay. That is the deed, okay. Next entry will be, suppose if the interest is charged, that is interest on is loan account debited to is loan account, okay. That is interest on A's loan account debited, because interest is charged. That is why interest on A's loan account debited to A's loan account. That should be the entry, okay. So if we calculate the amount, okay, suppose I will show you how this working is done, okay. Some working is there. You have to understand these things very clearly so that in examination it will be benefited to you. Okay, that is entries on A's loan. Okay, if you write down, that is how you will find out. I will show you. 2 lakh you write down here, that is the minimum 6%. I have already told you, yes or no? I have already told you that minimum 6% you have to charge if the question is silent about the rate of interest on loan to be charged. Okay, on 2 lakh, that loan is amount is 2 lakh, 6% minimum, and the date is given when, यहाँ पर डेट दिया है ना, अक्टूबर में दिया है 31 में, तो अक्टूबर से मार्च कितना महीना होगा? हाउ मेनी मंथ्स? अक्टूबर छोड़ दो तो कितना होगा? नवंबर, दिसंबर, जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, मीन्स 5 months we have to charge as interest on loan. If you calculate this, you will get 5,000 as interest on A's loan. 5 months क्यों आया? बिकॉज यहाँ में अक्टूबर में दिया था लोन, तो अक्टूबर 31 मीन्स इट इज द लास्ट डेट, मीन्स वी विल कैलकुलेट डेट फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट मंथ. अक्टूबर मीन्स खत्म, तो नवंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, दैट इज द 5 months we have to charge. That is why 5/12. In a year there are 12 months. The interest on loan that will be charged for 5 months as per the date given in the question. And these things is not given. 6% means rate is not given. That is why minimum 6% the firm has to pay. Okay, so that is the amount of 5,000. I hope you are understanding. So this is all about the workings. You write down working number 1. Okay, and the next I will show the entry. Okay, that will be the amount will be 5,000. Already we have calculated. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, write down next. Being, okay, interest provided on A's loan at the rate 6% per annum for 5 months. Is it okay? I hope you are getting. समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो कीप कमेंट. ओके, so that I will know that you are not understanding. My voice is clear, I think. And the next entry will be, okay, this amount is loan account, that is the loss of the firm. Okay, तो whatever the profit is there, yes or no, firms का profit दिया है, how much? 4,30,000. Out of that, this loan amount have to be deducted. That is the 5,000. You have to know these things. Okay, so entry will be, if you transfer this 5,000 to profit and loss account, we have to transfer this amount as firm pays to the partners, means partner E, as loan charge. Okay, तो that means firms का profit घटेगा, तो कितना घटेगा? 5,000. That amount will be transferred to where? That is to profit and loss account. That is the year ending. Okay, 31st में मारना है हम लोग का एंट्री. Date is very much important. तो we'll write profit and loss account debited to interest on A's loan account. This account is debited. So if we transfer this amount to profit and loss account of firm, that means in debit side there is expenses for the firm. That is why profit and loss account debit to interest on A's loan. That entry will be, amount will be 5,000. So you write down 5,000. Okay, that will be, write down being interest on A's loan transfer to profit and loss account. That is why we have to transfer this loan account. Okay, loan account, loan amount. So this will be the transfer entry of loan, and after that the firm's profit is, you can see the firm's already 4,30,000. If you deduct this 5,000 as charge, okay, then firm's profit will be deducted by 5,000. I will show you one. Okay, means working. Okay, working number 2, net profit. Yes or no? Net profit of the, net profit after interest on A's loan. That is, we have to find out the net profit after interest on A's loan. That is 4,30,000 is the net profit before interest. If we deduct after interest, that means 5,000. That means your net profit will be 4,25,000, because 5,000 it is a charge for the firm, it is expenses for the firm. Whatever the profit is there before 4,30,000, if we deduct this 5,000, that is the actual net profit after interest on is loan. I hope you are getting. Yes or no? This will be the entry for the appropriation. This profit you have to transfer to where? Profit and loss account. So you write down, date is very much important. Whenever you write date, these things we are calculating at the end of the year. So that is why 18 March 31. Date is very much important. That is why profit and loss, write down profit and loss account debited to profit and loss appropriation. Appropriation तो क्या होगा? Appropriation account. So this amount, that is 4,25,000, we have to transfer, not the 4,30,000, because 5,000 it is a charge for the firm. We have to deduct that loan amount. After whatever the profit remain, that is the actual net profit of the firm, that will be transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. Write down being transfer of profit and loss to profit and loss appropriation account. Just note down. And then last entry, that the profit, whatever the profit of the firm, that should be distributed to the partner. Everyone knows in appropriation we distribute the profit or loss of the firm to the partners. So the entry will be, if you transfer the entry, if you transfer the profits, we have to write down profit and loss appropriation account debited to this profit will get by partner A and B. As they are the partner of the firm, whatever the profit remain, that should be transferred to partner. That is why profit and loss appropriation account debited to A's capital account to B's capital account. This will be the entry. Write down being profit transfer or distributed. You can write down distributed. Distributed to A and B equally. Whenever the ratio is not given in the question, how we have to distribute the profits, that is equally. Whenever the ratio is not given in the question, you think that we have to share profits or distribute profits equally. Equally means 1:1, means two partners there equally. That means whatever the profits, that if you divide this by 2, that means each partner will get how much? I will show you. Each partner will get 2,12,500. 2,12,500. This amount will receive by both the partner. If you divide by 2, that means each partner will get this. So this is all about the journal part. I hope you just note it down. You can take a screenshot of it. It will help you out. And next entry will be these things. Okay, let's proceed with the partners capital account. Okay, so I have already made the format for you all, so that it will be very easy for you to understand. The partners capital account is very much easy. Okay, so let's start partners capital account. The date will be 2017. This is the opening date. अप्रैल में हमारा बिजनेस में पैसा आया है, तो इट विल बी बाय, यू कैन राइट ऑन बैलेंस BD, अदरवाइज यू कैन राइट ऑन बैंक अकाउंट. तो वी विल राइट बैलेंस. ओके, बैलेंस BD मीन्स पार्टनर्स का जो कैपिटल है, दैट इज you can write on balance BD also 5 lakhs and 3 lakhs, okay, respectively. Okay, and here whatever the partners get, that you have to write down in the credit side of partners capital account. Okay, I hope you understand what I said just now. Whatever the partner will get, like salary, commission, I don't know, profit distribution, profit, or commission, reserve, whatever profits is there. Okay, whatever the partner get, that will be come here. Okay, in the credit side of partners capital account. So that will be March 31. Okay, hereby profit and loss appropriation account, whatever the profits, that is the profit of the partners, 212,500. it is okay. फॉर्मेट थोड़ा छोटा हो गया. I hope it is visible. 2,12,500. Is it okay? And nothing is there. If there is nothing, we will write directly. We can total up. Okay. If we total up these things, you will get 7,12,500. Here you will get 5,12,500. Okay. So this is the amount. If nothing is there, that means we can write down to balance CD. How much? 712,500. Here also 512,500. It is okay. I hope you understood. And at last we have to total up these things. Same, we have to write down 712,500, 512,500. This is how we have to prepare the partners capital account. Just you can take the screenshot of it. Okay, so this is all about the partners capital account. And at last I will show you one thing. Okay, just look at here. Next account I will have to prepare. Okay, that is the loan account. Is loan account. तो एज लोन अकाउंट बनाना है हम लोगों. तो इट इज़ वेरी इजी. ओके, लोन अकाउंट किसका? ए का. तो कुछ नहीं करना है हमें ओनली क्या लिखना है? डेट लिखो इधर. ओके, हियर पार्टिकुलर्स, one amount column in it and one date column is required. Okay, here you write down date, here you write down particulars, here rupees. Okay, here also date, particulars, and here rupees. Okay, this side is credit side, this side is debit side. ए लोन अकाउंट. तो जब भी हम लोग ए लोन अकाउंट बनाएगा तो ए का लोन क्या क्या है आप देख सकते हैं. इन द प्रैक्टिकल इट इज़ देयर. ओके, ए का लोन है, इस लोन अकाउंट तो जाएगा. यहाँ लोन है, जाएगा, और कोई नहीं है. ठीक है, ये दोनों एंट्री वहाँ जाएगा. कहाँ पे? लोन में जाएगा. तो हम लोग को लोन में जो शो करना है वो यहाँ दिखाओगे. ओके, वट एवर द लोन, हियर डेट विल बी 117. ओके, October 31. ओके, हियर बाय बैंक अकाउंट. ओके, कितना लोन था? ठीक है, हो गया. इधर आएगा जो लोन अमाउंट है. फिर उसके बाद इंटरेस्ट जो मिला. ओके, 2018 March 31 बाय इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन अकाउंट. इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन अकाउंट. इंटरेस्ट कितना मिला था? 5,000 और कुछ नहीं है, तो हम लोग टोटल करेंगे इसको 2 लाख, ओके, 5,000, 2,05,000। हियर कुछ नहीं है इधर, तो हम क्या करेंगे, डेट लिखेंगे 2018 मार्च 31। तो इधर क्या लिखेंगे, टू बैलेंस CD मीन्स क्लोज डाउन 205,000. Okay, if we total up these things, nothing is there. That is the balance amount we have to write down here. This is all about the loan account. Just you see, you can take a screenshot of it. So I hope, student, if you watch from the beginning without any skip, you can understand. And I have started a little bit slower so that our student will get benefited and get the concept, what actually behind this concept. Okay, I hope it is okay. And this is a partners capital account. So I hope, student, you'll share the videos and as much as you can. So tomorrow also I will come with a live class if it is possible for me. So thank you for today.